Hello students, welcome to the science class of 4th standard. So students, in today's class I will teach you new chapter, that is chapter number 5, adaptation in plants. The objectives of this chapter are the need for adaptation in plants to survive in their habitat, reasons of adaptation in plants on land, water, desert, and hilly areas, examples of plant adaptation on land, desert, and hilly area, draw pictures of various adaptation in plants. In this chapter, we will also study about need for adaptation in plants and examples of adaptation of land and water plants. The terms in this chapter are habitat, terrestrial plants, mangroves, aquatic plants, fixed plants, insectivorous plants, adaptation, conifers, breathing roots, floating plants, underwater plants, evergreen trees. So students, open your book at page number 49 and let's start our reading. Plants grow almost all over the world either on land or in water. So students, plants grow in all parts of the world. They can be seen on land and they can also seen in water. The places where the plants grow are high mountains, deep oceans, hot and cold places, and also in coastal areas or dry and wet places. As animals are adapted to live in a different areas in the similar way, plants are also adapted to live in a different habitat. Now come to the topic need for adaptation. Underline the word adaptation, and the definition of adaptation is changing oneself according to environment. Plants also need to adapt themselves according to their surroundings. So students, plants also develop some special features according to the place where they are found. For example, the plants of mountainous region are tall so that they get plenty of sunlight. So students, the plants which are found in the mountain region, they are quite tall. And why they are quite tall? So that they can get the sufficient amount of sunlight. The another example is of desert plants. The desert plants have deep roots and needle-shaped leaves. Underline the word deep roots and write down its meaning firmly implanted. So students, here question arises that what are the functions of deep root and needle-shaped leaves? The answer is deep roots help them to obtain water from depth and needle-shaped leaves prevent water loss. These adaptations are must for a plant to survive in desert. Underline the word survive and write down its meaning to live. Deep roots and needle-shaped leaves are the very important adaptation for the plants which are found in the desert region. Similarly, if a hilly plant do not become tall, it might do not get proper amount of sunlight, which may affect its growth. So students, if the plants which are found in the hilly area, they are not quite tall, they will not get the sufficient amount of sunlight, and when they will not get the sufficient amount of sunlight, they will not able to grow properly. The next topic is plant habitats. Underline the word habitat and write down the definition of habitat, the place where plant grows or animal live. For example, the habitat of fish is water and that of cactus is desert. Now come to page number 50. Plants growing in various places are adapted to the climate around them. Underline the word climate and write down its meaning. A weather condition in an area. On the basis of habitat, plants can be broadly divided into two types: terrestrial or land plants, aquatic or water plants. So students, in today's class I have discussed with you the need for adaptation and plants habitats. So read and revise the topic thoroughly and also revise the cross questions. Thank you and have a nice day.